Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again today. So right now I'm going to be reacting to the loudest sneeze is in the world. So yeah, let's get started. So right now, loudest sneezes in the world. Wait. Funniest sneezes in the world. Wait, hold on, let me just see this. Okay, let's do this. So this is extreme, but they're all the same. Wait, hold up. That's not even. That's not even a sneeze. I'm sorry, but if you're watching this, so it's not even a sneeze. Wait. Hold that.
That medical mystery, the 12-year-old girl who can't stop sneezing. She sneezes about, are you ready for this, 12,000 times per day. Gio Benitez has her story for us.
For 12-year-old Caitlin Thornley, this sound has become painfully familiar. 3 weeks ago, Caitlin began sneezing, and she hasn't stopped.
I was walking out of a clarinet lesson. All of a sudden, it kind of started.
October 7th, 2015. That's an old video.
Just like little spurts. You know, it was like just a few sneezes here and there, but by the time I went to bed, I'd sneezed 30 times that night.
Caitlin now averaging about 20 sneezes per minute.
I can control it sometimes, but it's really painful.
And so far, doctors at Texas Children's Hospital in Houston haven't been able to figure out exactly what is causing the uncontrollable sneezing, referring to the condition as a tic.
She had kind of a funny feeling that she describes in her nose, and that piece of her history is very common for tics.
Okay, I don't think I'm gonna watch this. Like, why would they? I don't know why, but why would they put this like on the news?
Yeah, why are you talking to yourself? And like, why do they keep this on?
I don't know why there's this. They will put this on. Like, I don't know why. For that girl, they put that in the news. I feel like it's kind of rude. So she's acting like everything's okay, but actually it's not. Like, a lot of these are old videos.
I don't know, I do mine a lot. Mommy!
You do that a lot?
I don't really hear myself.
Oh.
Sorry.
Oh, did you see that?
When I give it my all.
Okay, guys. So, this is my sister, Kaylin, and she sneezes with her eyes open. So, we're making a video to demonstrate. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go.
Don't laugh at me.
It's going to be funny. Okay, here it comes. Look at me, Kayla. Stop walking.
Oh my god, I won't come out.
There's some more.
Did you see that? Oh my gosh. That's actually, wait. Okay.
Oh, buddy.
Oh wait. Okay. What the? Okay. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Smash the like button, subscribe, turn notifications, comment down below you do that, and you got I love YouTube shirt. So yeah, bye guys.